We'll start recording one last time. And of course, I love fish too. Gonna bring you one last box break. One more blaster box for the night. Because more than likely, my wife isn't gonna let me go buy more tomorrow. Or even tonight, probably, for that matter. We'll see. She might. If I hit another pie card and sell that, probably will. Otherwise, she's just gonna tell me I just pissed another $50 down the drink. So, start this off. Trevor Crowe, Carlos Lee, Andy Sonsonine, Nate McCollum, Jackie Robinson, Vintage Legends, good start. Babe Ruth, World Series Heroes, or History of the World Series, Billy Butler, and the Athletics team card. How about it? Tim-Ming Wong, Michael Montero, Jacob Ellsbury, Carlos Pena, Gaylord Perry, cards that your mom threw out. There's a William McCovey, Peak Performance, Ian Kinsler, and the Padres history. Countdown to Tony Gwynn's Cooperstown. Was that 114 days they took that photo. Jocks Chasen, Jimmy Rollins, Glenn Perkins, George Schrill, Kaline and Cabrera, Chris Coghlan for the Topps 2020, A-Rod, and Macer Isoteris. That one I'm sure has been fully botched and butchered. Delwyn Young, Brett Myers, Jason Worth, Matt Suzaka, A's, and this one is numbered 1554. There's a Maglio Ordonez turkey, BJ Upton, and Chris Tillman to finish off that pack. Vin Mazzaro, Dallas Braden, Chris Getz, Luis Castillo, Dennis Eckersley, cards your mom threw out, Jimmy Fox, 86 Topps, Vintage Legends, Matt Holliday, and then there's a Alcides Escobar. What about a franchise history for the Angels? Furcal, Madison, Riviera, and that's the Topps original back, I think here. That one, Jermaine Dye, Peak Performance, John Lester, Top Attacks, and a Dan Rundler. Oh, that would fit. Oh, that's Bentoncourt. Brendan McCarthy, Kelly Johnson, Felix Pie with no pie, World Series hero Brooke Robinson, Frank Robinson and Ryan Braun, Yunel Escobar, and Mike McCoy. I wonder if he ever was down in Lansing. Brewers team card. Kuroda, Para, Pennington, Young 85 Topps, so that'll be the card your mom threw out. Alcides Escobar turkey, Matt Kemp, and a Freddie Garcia. So, ooh. 2 packs, changing my luck, please. Something. J.J. Hardy, Phil Koch, Sin-Soo Choo, Santana, Eddie Murray, Vintage Legends, Andrew McCutchen, Topps 2020, Verlander, Topps Attacks, and a Brian Wilson. Last pack, minus the patch, Andrew Miller, Brian Wilson, Royals franchise, Brewers team, Mike Lowell, Catfish Hunter, Berkman, U Sketch, and a Scott Shields. So, and Bill Mazerzowski, commemorative patch card from the 1960 World Series. So, actually I could put that with the autograph of his I got. So, really nice looking patch on there. So that finishes off the blaster boxes for today.